Hey guys, welcome to Bit9. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the temperature of your Mac with M1, M2, M3, or M4 chips. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Since the launch of Apple's Silicon Macs, many traditional command line methods and third-party temperature monitoring apps no longer work. But don't worry, I've got you covered. To monitor the temperature of your Apple Silicon Mac, whether it's M1, M2, M3, or M4, we'll use a software called Hot. You can find the download link in the description below. After downloading the app, move it to the Applications folder. Since this is an app downloaded from the internet, you may see a prompt warning you about opening it. Don't worry, this is normal. Just confirm that you want to proceed. Open it from there or launch it directly. Once the app is running, you'll instantly see the temperature reading in the menu bar. It's that simple. If you click on the Hot Menu app icon and navigate to the Temperature Sensors section, you'll find detailed readings from various internal components. However, keep in mind that some of these readings may not make much sense to the average user. For those who are interested, you can click on View All Sensors to access graphs showing voltage, temperature, and current over time. This feature is great if you want a more in-depth look at your Mac's performance metrics. To make the app even more convenient, you can set it to launch automatically when you log in. To do this, go to the Preferences tab and enable the Start at Login option. You can also explore other settings to customize the app according to your needs. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.